Today, we're doing a deep dive into our most popular automation, sending an automatic email to someone when they fill out one of your SwiftBox forms. In this tutorial, we will look at setting a form trigger, creating an email action, and publishing the automation. So let's get started. SwiftBox automations can be accessed by selecting Automations from the menu. The home page shows you all your current automations. To create a new one, select Create Automation. Let's give our automation a name, which you can do by selecting Name this automation. Now we will select a trigger, which will be a SwiftBox form. Select Form is filled out, and then select Next. This dropdown will list all the forms that have been created in SwiftBox. If you can't see your form in the initial dropdown, type the name of the desired form and it will appear. For this example, we'll select our feedback form. Now select Add Trigger, and you have kickstarted your automation. Back on the canvas, we now need to add an email as our action. So let's select Add an Action, and then an email is sent in the drawer. Now select Next. In this next step, we can create our email. First, select who you want the email to go to. You can select to send it to the person who filled out the form or a custom list of specific emails you want to enter. For this action, we want the email to go to the person who filled out the form. Now complete all sender details and it's time to create the email. You have 3 options to choose from when creating an email. Create a plain text email which looks similar to the one you would receive from Outlook or Gmail by clicking Email Builder. You can create a whole new email which can include headings, images, colors, forms, and attachments. Or you can select a saved template from the SwiftBox Email Builder by clicking Templates. Let's select a template to send back to our form submitter. We'd like this to feel personal, so I will go to the email builder and add a name merge field so it addresses them by name. We'll select Save and Close and then Add Action. Here we have our automation ready to go. But before we set it live, let's also set an automatic email to go to someone in your organization, alerting them that a form has been submitted. To do this, let's add another action. Select Email again, and now we're going to set the recipient of the email as a specific email address. I will add our internal client team, so everyone in that team will be notified. Now, in the email body, we can type an email alerting the recipient that a form has been filled in, and we can also have this email include the form name and response by using the @form_name and @form_response merge fields. Finally, click Add Action. On our canvas, we can now see that the form response being filled in will send 2 emails, one to the contact that submitted the form and the other to our client team. Now everyone will be in the loop. The last step is setting it live. To do this, simply select Publish. All done. Now you know how to send multiple emails automatically when a SwiftBox form is filled in.